Hello everyone, it's been a while since I made a video, but I decided to dip my toe into the 3D printer hobby. So here it is. I am a complete noob, having never touched one before or the plastic, and I'm gonna set it up. I looked up the specifications and the filament specifications. Probably shouldn't be printed at the maximum speed of 250 millimeters per second. I'm going to just go with the middle of the road print speed and stock temperature settings, and I did bump up the infill from 10% to 20% just because I watched some YouTube videos and they said that it should probably be around 15 or something around there. The layer height quality, just left it at 20. I think it's about half of the nozzle diameter or something. The one problem that I had was trying to use the supplied SD card. It needs to be facing contacts up. You can actually put it in there the wrong way and click it in there, no problem. So there is no feedback on whether it's inserted right or wrong for this unit. I don't know if it's different for the other ones, but the entire thing took about 30, maybe 40 minutes. I took my time, and if you think about it, you're still going to need to kind of look up the information, find a model. Actually, on the SD card, they supply you with an Asian cat model that you can go ahead and print if you want. I decided to do what everybody else does, which is to print a Benchy. And finally, after 2 hours, a complete Benchy with a penny for scale. As you can see, the first layer didn't come out because I couldn't figure out how to get the filament in there correctly. You have to press the tab down a little farther and really push in the filament. And second, I'm assuming that because it's brand new and there is no filament in there, and I didn't specify to go ahead and print a whole bunch of tests first, it just went ahead and started printing and so it missed the first few millimeters at the bottom of the boat. All right, have a good one. See y'all later.